Singularity is one of the single best ideas that has happened, I think, in the last decade.
The executive program is a one-week program. We have global leaders, senior executives who are coming together to discover what their future looks like as they live into this exponential future that we're seeing happening all around us.
Computation, sensors, networks, artificial intelligence, robotics, 3D printing, virtual and augmented reality, synthetic biology. These are the technologies that are going to be changing our world.
I think the future is coming even faster than I thought.
There's as much in the audience as it is in the faculty, and just being able to talk to people and engage with people in different industries and different countries just causes you to ask questions that you otherwise wouldn't have done, and in asking the questions you come up with better answers.
I've met people from Brazil, from Singapore, from Indonesia, from all walks of life.
Dig into our prototypes and to consider these questions.
How can we take these technologies and turn them into forces for good by solving humanity's greatest challenges?
It really inspires you to think differently, to think out of the box.
Everything that I thought was science fiction is science fact.
If we think of our company 10 years out, 20 years out, even 50 years out, what are the things that we need to start doing now to really keep winning in the future?
Get ready to ask bigger, bolder and more courageous questions about the future than we ever thought possible in our lifetimes.
This is a fantastic experience. I'm really glad I'm here.